Hi, I'm Honor, and I'm so excited to be here today because we're going to talk about how to make your home beautiful. Maybe you just bought your first home and you're super excited, but you're a little sad because you can't afford to do the things that you want to do to it. Maybe it's a little dated. Maybe it's just not your style. Well, I'm going to tell you and teach you how to transform your home into something that you will love, and it will make an instant impact on a budget. The first thing that you want to do is you want to paint. Paint sets the mood, changes the look instantly. It's the cheapest way to really get the most bang out of your buck and really change the environment that you are in and get the vibe that you really want to get. So, paint, you can do it yourself, you can hire somebody, but either way, it's the most affordable way to make a difference. And then number two, lighting. Lighting is so important for that environment, that feel, that vibe, the ambiance that you want in your home. So look around. Are some of those lights in your house from the 1980s? If they are, then go on Facebook Marketplace. They have so many things that you can choose from. Even Home Depot and Lowe's, they have great lighting too. They're really up to date on some current trends that will work for you, and they're very affordable. So lighting, in fact, every time we buy a new house, I take my lighting with me and I bring it to the new house because it's really what makes me feel most at home is the lighting. And then three, the last thing that I would say is artwork. What are you putting on your walls? What do they look like? I would say large scale art makes the biggest difference. The problem is, especially if it's your first house, you don't have the money to invest in fine art. But I tell you, there's so many great finds at Home Goods or Marshalls or convenience stores like that are second hand. So try those. But guess what? You can do it. I promise you. You can get a great deal on a canvas at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And then from there, go get yourself some acrylic paints. Pick colors that you love that are going to go with your decor. And maybe even go online and look at some artwork that you like that might be more abstract, very contemporary. That way, it'll be easier to do yourself. So try that.